It's day 4. What are we doing, Nate Howard?
Still freaking sanding.
Let's get to it. We are done sanding. Do you want to see what 35 hours of sanding can get you? Come on. So here it is. After 35 hours worth of sanding between my husband and I, this is the massive hutch completely sanded down to bare wood. The next part is staining. I sent my client 4 sample stains, and I'm super curious which one you guys would choose. If you would choose number 1, 2, 3, or 4 for this piece. And I cannot wait to show you which one she chose and how it absorbs into the wood. So let me know what you would choose, and I'll see you next time for part 5. Yay!